Hey everyone, welcome back to Fresh Ingredients. Today let's cook fried chicken. This is my version of fried chicken, so I believe all of you already guessed it that I will use lots of fresh ingredients. So first, let's harvest some fresh herbs. Some oregano, rosemary, and thyme. For the oregano, we only use the leaves, so remove it first before we chop it very finely. For the thyme, we only use the leaves. Remove it with your fingers like this, and we don't have to chop it because thyme already very small. Rosemary, same with the oregano. We're gonna only use the leaves. Remove it from the stem and chop it very finely. Here in Indonesia, buttermilk is not common, so it's not something that you can find at the supermarket. Here's a little trick that I learned from the internet. We're gonna mix full cream milk with some acidic. You can use vinegar, but I prefer using something fresh. That's why I choose lemon. Mix the milk with lemon and let them rest for 10 to 15 minutes until they start to thicken and we're ready to go. Season the milk mixture with lots of black pepper and salt. Be generous with both of them, otherwise your chicken will tasteless. I'm also adding about half teaspoon of paprika powder, that fresh herbs mixture, and don't use all of it because later we're going to use it again. And add about 2 finely chopped garlic. Mix it evenly before we put the chicken. This is one piece of chicken that I asked the butcher to cut it in 12 pieces. Well, of course, you can ask it to cut it in 8 or maybe 9 pieces and the final result will be bigger. We're going to marinate the chicken in that milk mixture for about at least 2 hours up to 12 hours. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap so it will not cross-contaminate all the ingredients in your fridge. Seal it nicely, then put it in the fridge. This is the chicken after 6 hours in the fridge. I know, it looks like nothing has changed, but believe me, the milk mixture has already done their work. Before we cook it, let's prepare the flour mixture. This is about 6 tablespoons of low protein flour, or you can use all-purpose flour if you can't find this one. Then add 2 tablespoons of corn flour and 2 tablespoons of rice flour. Season the flour mixture with salt and black pepper, all the herbs mixture in, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder and 1 tablespoon of paprika powder. Optionally, you can add chili flakes to make it more spicy. Before we continue with the chicken, I want to preheat the cooking oil first. I'm using coconut oil because it's healthier than palm oil. We're gonna make a thick batter to coat the chicken, and I think the best way to make it by using the milk mixture from the chicken because it already has all the seasoning in it. Pour it onto a separate bowl and add low protein flour or all-purpose flour about 5 tablespoons or maybe more, or until the milk starts to thicken like this. First, take the chicken, coat it with the batter, move it to the flour mixture, and make sure we coat it evenly. Shake an excess flour, then put it onto the hot oil. Cook about 3 to 4 pieces of chicken per batch. If we put too much chicken, the oil will not be hot enough to make the chicken crispy. And of course, we don't like soggy fried chicken, right? That's disgusting. Cook the chicken for 10 to 15 minutes or until the color is golden brown like this. I think we don't have to cook it twice because this is a small cut of chicken. Look at that amazing color, and the taste is absolutely gorgeous. And this is how I cook fried chicken using fresh herbs from my garden. If you like it, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel, it means a lot to me. If you're interested, you can follow my Instagram account, Mitsunori18, to stay updated about something that I cook or any herbs that I try to plant. Thank you so much guys, and I see you next time.